Hey YouTube, what's going on? Jake back with a brand new video, and it is, I can't see my clock right now because the reverse camera's on, but it is currently 9:58, and I'm going to pick up Austin, and we're going to go get something to eat, and it is Sunday, so there's probably not that much to do today, but we're going to find something to do, so I'll see you when I pick him up. Alright, so there's a guy right there.
Get ready to turn after this car.
Hey! Alright guys, so we got an air horn. Austin's
Does it work?
making it, yeah. And we're gonna blow the air. Oh my god! We're gonna blow the air horn at people. Hey! Blow the air horn, do it.
The whole way.
Hey! Stop laughing. Hey! Hey!
Yeah, I'll turn here too. Watch this. Oh Jesus! Hang on. Oh, watch. Ready. What is that dude doing?
Hey!
I like your headphones.
Dope.
That has a face mask on it too. Bro, is my hair all whacked up?
Yeah.
Oh shit. No, just act like you're trying it.
There's a guy coming.
Yeah, you're trying it.
Take that out before a worker sees you. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I think that's gonna wrap up the video. I know it was a short one, but I just wanted to like mess around, and that's what I did. So, if you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new, you should totally subscribe, and I will see you at my next video. Peace.